The Rajya Sabha on Sunday, 20th September 2020, witnessed a chaos where the opposition leaders broke the microphone of the chairperson and even attempted to snatch away documents from him over the passing of the controversial agriculture bill amid a prolonged outrage of vexation by the oppositions. What we are actually here to discuss is not regarding the agriculture bill, but it's regarding our politicians जिन्हें हम वोट करते हैं so that they represent us, they represent our problems in the parliament. But what do we see them doing? Fighting, aggression, misconduct, shouting, and most famous of all, throwing chairs. Like, you don't want the person, you don't want the politician you vote for who will represent you in the parliament ends up doing everything except focusing on their problem, which should be their priority. For sure, people will feel devastated because they don't want them to conduct cat fights. Just give it a thought, guys. जितने भी लोकसभा मीटिंग्स हैं, जितने भी राज्यसभा मीटिंग्स हैं, जो भी पार्लियामेंट्री सेशंस हैं, वो सारे लाइव टेलीकास्ट होते हैं जिन्हें पूरी दुनिया देख सकती है एंड प्रॉबेबली पूरी दुनिया देखती है. Just imagine how badly this can tamper the reputation of Indian Parliament, our Indian ministers. Let's just say India's reputation. For example, if you are caught dancing on the bench of your classroom by the principal and a whole bunch of teachers, your reputation khatam, tata, bye, goodbye, gaya. People vote the politicians including the illiterate ones जो अच्छे से पढ़े लिखे नहीं हैं, वो ये सोच के वोट देते हैं कि जितने भी पढ़ाकू मिनिस्टर्स हैं, जितने भी पढ़ाकू मंत्री हैं हमारे, वो हमें आगे लेके जाएंगे, वो हमारे देश को आगे लेके जाएंगे. बट वी सी देम फाइटिंग लाइक टू चुटकूज ऑफ क्लास 5 with no aim, no point. People see them as their inspiration to learn leadership qualities from them. But if this is what leadership looks like, this is how they depict leadership, then sorry, we don't need no ministers. Ministers like Derek O'Brien, then Sanjay Singh हो गए आपके, like these are kind of highly respected ministers for the educational skill and mental ability. Rational thinkers. पार्लियामेंट में घुसने से पहले they'll think rational, they'll do rational, but what happens to them when they actually enter a session, a parliamentary session? They like, sir, होता क्या है आप लोग को जब आप घुस जाते हैं? आप जाने से पहले like you're all good, you'll think good, you'll do good, but वहाँ घुसते ही लगता है आपके ऊपर माता आ जाती है. Then you'll start dancing on the benches and all if your point is not accepted by the chairperson. Sanjay Singh belongs to Aam Aadmi Party, as you all know, a party which is believed to have a corruption free background, जो कि बहुत ही progressive और productive party है. तो sir, what we'll expect from you if you मतलब belonging to such renowned party like AP and आप ये सारी हरकतें कर रहे हैं, तो फिर आपसे लोग क्या इंस्पिरेशन लेंगे? For most of you who don't know that जितने भी मीटिंग्स टेलीकास्ट किए जाते हैं उन सभी को, मतलब जो भी लोकसभा एंड राज्यसभा मीटिंग्स हैं, उन सभी को रिकॉर्ड किया जाता है और स्टोर किया जाता है. जब भी पर्सनल साइट होती है पार्लियामेंट की, वहाँ पे आई डोंट रिमेंबर द साइट, सॉरी, उन्हें वहाँ स्टोर किया जाता है. लेकिन नोटिस करिए कि जितने भी आर्ग्यूमेंटेटिव, जितने भी लाइक अग्रेशन भरे फाइट वाले मूवमेंट्स रहते हैं ना, उन सभी को कट ऑफ कर दिया जाता है, वहाँ से हटा दिया जाता है और उसके बाद स्टोर किया जाता है रिकॉर्ड करके. Why to create such situations if you don't want these moments to be a part of your recorded video? Like आप स्टोरेज में अगर आप रिकॉर्ड करके नहीं रखना चाहते तो आप इस टाइप का मोमेंट्स को अंजाम क्यों देते हैं? People are counting upon you, dear ministers. Like you inspire them in some or the other way. All we expect from you is intelligence, patience and loyalty, not your misconduct, misbehavior, or aggression, because this is how you are representing us. Your behavior is how you represent us, the voters.